Tesla Cybertruck parts catalog reveals clues about repair costs. Now that Tesla has a few of its flagship Toblerone-shaped trucks on the road, it's time to get service departments ready to wrench on them. The folks over at Cybertruck Owners Club happened to stumble upon a new section in Tesla's parts catalog completely dedicated to the Cybertruck, revealing exploded parts diagrams and a few fun Easter eggs. While most of the public won't be able to see the actual cost of the parts, a few screenshots also revealed the prices owners could expect to pay should they need an out-of-warranty repair or a trip to the body shop. And believe it or not, the dealership cost almost seems reasonable, at least for some parts. Let's start by discussing body panels. If the truck fails the dreaded shopping cart test, it might need a new front fender. That's priced at a rather fair $550. It's worth calling out that this price is more expensive than, say, a fender for a Ford F-150 Lightning, $422 MSRP, according to Ford's parts site. But remember that the Cybertruck doesn't require any additional paint, so the $550 is the entire cost, less the labor for installation. The front fascia of the frunk is also separate from the frunk assembly itself, meaning it can be replaced without replacing the entire front trunk if it happens to be damaged in an accident. The fascia alone is $935, whereas the powered front trunk assembly is $1,910. If you have to replace the entire unit, the total in parts will be $2,845.75. Tesla also lists the price of its glass on the parts site. The OEM glass for the Cybertruck's windshield will run a hefty $1,900, remember. That's without any labor attached. Comparatively, Rivian R1T owners say that they have paid $1,850 at the Rivian Service Center, and Ford charges $698 for the 2024 F-150 Lightning glass. The unbreakable side window glass is also listed on the site. The front quarter windows will cost $200, the moving rear door side glass costs $225, and the front door moving glass is $260. As for wear items, one can expect to pay $75 for the comically large gigawiper. I know that seems like a lot for a single blade, but keep in mind that it's absolutely enormous and that a pair of higher-end Bosch wiper blades can cost $60 or more. A single Goodyear Wrangler Territory RT285/65R20 runs $470 per tire in Tesla's parts catalog, which, admittedly, is pretty decent compared to some online stores. Apples to oranges, but I replaced one of the Pirelli P023535R20 tires on my Model 3 Performance yesterday. And the $600 quote from Tesla wasn't exactly easy to stomach. Thankfully, I had a few spares. What we don't immediately see in the parts catalog is that very specific Goodyear tire with the custom sidewall that matches the Cybertruck's wheel profile. Inside EVs has repeatedly asked Goodyear about the price of the tires seen on early trucks and if those exact models would be available to purchase. However, Goodyear has not responded at the time of writing. So, it's not clear if Tesla will be selling those specific tires directly, or if Goodyear will make them available to purchase elsewhere, or if they can even be obtained after the truck leaves the factory. Tesla also managed to sneak a fun little Easter egg into its body stamping. As seen above, the Cybertruck's silhouette appears to be cut out of the stamped metal sheeting underneath the bedside's paneling, meaning that a few owners who end up taking apart the truck, or maybe the techs who work on them, will happen to come across this small token of engineering appreciation. Now that we know some of the prices, what say you? Are some of the Cybertruck's parts reasonably priced for the dealer, or are they typical premium automaker costs? You can check out some more parts prices in the original thread on Cybertruck Owners Club. Source: reposted and summarized from Rob Stumpf at Inside EVS.